Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the animation named Welcome to My House only using one picture. How to do that? Don't worry because here in this video we will show you the step by step to do it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this PixVerse from the Play Store if you are the user of the Android phone. And if you are the user of the iPhone or the user of iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store. And after that, as soon as you have installed it, then you can go into this application, and after that do the logged in or the sign up with your Google Mail or your email. So this application will provide you 60 credits as the new user. But let's say if you run out of the credits, then don't worry because these credits will be renewed every single day at UTC 0 following your time zone. And let's go back to the homepage. This is the, let's say, the references from the another user, and you can go to the template and click the searching section, and let's type welcome to my house. Enter, and then you can find this template and you can start to click new user, and this will direct you into the gallery so it can help you to upload or select your favorite photo. Let's say I will choose this picture, and as you can see here, this effect or the animation will need 20 credits, and since we have 40 credits left, then it will be enough to do this animation. And let's get to generate it. So you can let this application a while to do the generation, and you can explore more another template or creation from the another user. And as we receive the information that the video is ready, then we can go to the notification here, and let's see the result. Isn't that cool, right? So don't worry because this video can be downloaded by clicking this section, or you can also share it into your favorite social media. So that's all from me. I hope this video find you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.